Everyone, you know my name is Abby. Also tells you about the literacy and have fun. So you see me. So now see, we have huge, and big. Also have the raffle and the raffle in the story, raffle and the rat. So the next story, the next word that we do is a cube. Also tells me about the cube. So we also know C is pleasant to a cube. Cube. No, C. You don't say this, I did. So now you will say k. So it's also says cube. So you don't write that like that. Okay, someone is telling me. These people. Close your eyes. So, this people is telling me. So, this people is telling me is, I think, don't write like that. I think, let's write like this. Cube, E, and B. That's right. You're wrong. So not like that. I is writing. Right? So, cube, you know. The letter E in Vietnamese is can do. But in English, you will do it all by yourself and don't tell the E sound. I just said it's alright. So this girl is wrong. So the next page. So we are making a sentence with another word. So this is the next page. Not a sentence. So this is a T sound, and you will say t, and then t plus u, tube, and that girl come again. Close your eyes, and I will draw. So this girl says, I think right and right. I think right like this. E, B, U, T. You are a little bit right, but it's not right because you write as E, B, U, and T. It's also come back again. Also, in English, you don't set backwards. You just set like numbers or not. So it's right in here. And it's don't hide in here. So now the next one is the example sentence where we learn. So the example sentence is a cube and a tube. So just like next we have it, alright? So next we are going to make another cube, and the tube is playing. Like that. So next we are going to sing and sing with a tune. This is the tune. So let's plus us together. So T. English is t, 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 like that sound. Next, you will plus this together. Tune. tune, tune. Now you will hear tune. So let's hear tune. Let's hear it. Can you hear it? Can you hear the sound of a tune? So that's the next. So you can see me now. Next we're oopsies, sorry. So we are started the next one. So let's see. And just like this, and then the activity later. So this I just said is the C word. It says K. When you says and it cute, and then she is cute. So this girl says, oh, I think right like this is don't right. I think it will be like this. Okay, I think it will write like this. Cute. It's not like that. It's cute. Like that. You're a little bit right. But when we cut the E sound over, it's not like a word anymore. So we just say, sorry, it's not cut, so it's like cute. But when you put the E sound away, it's not have any words because it's don't like a word. So we cannot cut. Okay. We call it cut, not cute. So okay? So now we are going to the next. Now the example sentence is the tune is cute. And then you need another thing. Now I will change. So the tune is cute. And tune. So the sentence is S. So the next one is the
read.
It's like this. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Oh, let's see at the door. Open the door. Open it. Ouch! Oh no! Thank you. We are going to sing letters. So, to June, and not June, but let's read this together. To June. I am on a visit to see my gran and her new dog. The dog is called Jake. He is fluffy and cute. My gran gave me a French cake. I do not like French, but I did not want the same bread. Gran also gave me a lesson on her flute. I cannot play a tune yet, but it was a lot of fun. We went to a new theme park and there were a lot of people there. The best part was the huge flume. I also went on a river. Repeat, right? You had to sit on a big black tube and now let's go. I had a good day, but I think it's cost my grand a fortune. See you when I am back home. Huge from Luke C. XXX. Tune ready, beautiful house. ZE1 for UE. So now it's time to bye-bye for me, and bye-bye for my pictures, and bye-bye for my pen arrow, bye-bye for my pen, and bye-bye for every lesson, but not every. Tomorrow we are going to another sentence. So it's time to bye-bye. So bye-bye. See you tomorrow.